Hello guys, once again welcome. I'm Chef Ken and this is the Kids Can Cook Kitchen. Today we are going to make fried chicken, Ken's fried chicken. This is my original recipe, but I want to try something. I'll portion the chicken blindfolded like Gordon Ramsay. Let's see if I can do it. So here is my chicken. So the chicken has the drumsticks or the chicken legs, we have the thighs, we have the breast, we have the wings. I'll portion the chicken to around 8 to 10 pieces. Yeah, let's see. So have a big knife, chicken down. Yeah, so first I remove the legs, chicken legs. So on this I have the option of removing the backbone or just cutting the chicken. So because you guys will think I've wasted a lot of chicken, so I cut the chicken. So now I have the thighs and 2 chicken legs or drumsticks. So here have the chicken. So this is the back, because it's so hard. I remove. This is just like a trimming. Can use it for making stock. Yeah. Chicken down. So I have 2 sides. I have the wings and the breast. Wings and the breast. So because we are making the fried chicken, I'll just cut off some meat to attach to the wings so that it can be worthwhile while eating. Okay. Then also the breast is too big, divide it into half. Yeah. So the wings, also the wings has 3 parts. The drumstick, the wing and the winglet. So 1, 2, 3. So breast down. So divide the breast into 2. On this one, I'll just cut the wing as it is of the breast. There we have. So this is the wing. I also believe I can do something blindfolded, make chicken lollipops blindfolded. Yeah. So there we have 1 lollipop. Very nice. For the other one, remove the small bone, cut off the winglet, and there we have another chicken lollipop blindfolded. The trimmings, we can use them for making stock or soup. I think I have done my best. Let me see the results. Yeah. What? Okay, I did not manage to put all the chicken, but I tried, guys. Okay, so you will rate me versus Gordon Ramsay, but I think I tried. Now with the chicken, we'll continue and make Ken's fried chicken. This is my recipe, original. On our ingredients, we have flour. Mostly I use self-raising flour. We have soy sauce and oyster sauce. That is mostly my basic marination. Then we have some spices. I'll marinate the chicken itself, salt. Yeah, so you can choose mixed spices. Yeah, so the same spices I'll add into my flour and mix. So the flour, we'll use it for the coating. Needs to have spice. So spice wise, you can choose paprika, mixed spices, black pepper, white pepper. So we have a variety of spices that you can use. Me, I use 6, not the 12 spices. So on additional on the spices, I add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce and oyster sauce. So I'll massage my chicken, make sure that all the ingredients are infused. All the ingredients are infused. Now here comes the procedure. So some of you at home may use breadcrumbs, eggs for coating, but on this, because you're using a lot of chicken or it's commercial, I'll use just normal cold water. What I do is start with chicken in the cold water. I'll start with drumstick, thigh, yeah, cold, very cold water. Then shake off the excess in the flour, coat, bind everything with our seasoned. So guys, here is a trick that I want to teach you. When you're using your hands, one hand should be on the dry flour and the other one on the wet ingredients. So my right hand will massage the chicken in the flour, shake off excess flour. So it's good if you do a double coating in the water, shake off the excess, back again to the flour, shake off the excess, and there we have our coated chicken. So that's one. So you can double coat, triple coat, but double coating is the best. So in, cover the chicken with flour, our seasoned flour, shake off the excess in, make sure to use the other hand, back, shake off the excess. So just repeat the process. So guys, I'm through coating the chicken, as you can see. Now the next is deep frying method. I'll heat my oil and deep fry for 12 to 15 minutes till golden brown and crunchy. So for 15 minutes you'll be assured crunchy on the outside, juicy on the inside. So yeah, so that's the next process. Let me wash my hands. I'll be back. Okay, now our oil is hot. Nice. So as we said, for 15 minutes. Yes, and wait, be patient, make sure everything is in, dipped in, so don't touch the chicken until 7 minutes are over. Then you can now confirm and flip. So we wait. After 7 minutes, turn. As you can see, golden brown, very nice. So 7 more minutes to go, just to ensure that it's cooked. What you can do is the first 7 minutes cook on high heat, then the 8 minutes cook on medium heat. The basic is high heat, crunchy, then low heat, cook on the inside. That is the trick. So now after 15 minutes, the chicken is cooked. You can see golden brown, not burnt. Yeah, so continue with the same process of deep frying the chicken till they are all cooked, and then let the chicken rest for like 5 minutes so that you can serve the chicken with fries, with sauce, with mayonnaise. So yeah, simply just a simple way of making fried chicken at home. So thank you very much, enjoy, and bye bye. What?